Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 0xc000012d. The application was unable to start correctly on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, application not opening properly, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on the start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver, look for display adapter. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your other device driver having yellow color exclamation mark means error and update driver. The second workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear and command prompt windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tool one by one. In command prompt windows, DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and after that execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete, and after that restart your system and check whether your application starts correctly or not, error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your problematic app, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and run compatibility troubleshooters. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator mode. So go to your problematic app and apply this process. Choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps. From the right side, click on installed apps, and here look for your problematic app which having issues error code, or you can directly proceed with scrolling down and click on three horizontal dot against app and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it, the app's data will be deleted. Choose reset. If repair and reset both does not work, then uninstall the problematic app and reinstall a fresh version of that particular app which having error code. The one more workaround is go to Windows search and type view advanced system settings. Click on open advanced system settings. Here from the top menu bar, go to advanced and choose settings under performance section. Here from the top menu bar, again go to advanced tab and under virtual memory click on change. Increase your virtual memory size. Here from the top menu bar, uncheck the option automatically manage paging file size for all drivers and make the check against option custom size, and here choose initial size and maximum size, and your initial size and maximum size will be as shown on screen. These are the formulas. Increase the virtual memory size. For initial size, 1.5 into available physical RAM into 1024. 1.5, and suppose your available physical RAM is 4 GB, then formula will be 1.5 into 4 into 1024, and it comes to 6144. So initial size will be 6144 and maximum size will be 3 into available physical RAM into 1024. Initial size it will 1.5, but maximum size 3 into available physical RAM into 1024, and the value comes 12288. Input the value 12288 under maximum size and click on OK to save the changes. So increase your virtual memory size if you have issues regarding opening of app, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose, right click on problematic app and choose properties. Here go to security and make sure that under your users permission for this app is allowed. If you found it denied mode, then choose allow mode.